So I tell my enemies, pwede ba? Make up your minds. Should I report or should I be disqualified? Kung ano mga invento nyo sa akin. Magbasa muna kayo ng statute of the ICC. This is all the result of overwhelming ignorance of the law. Kaya I tell all my enemies na ayaw lang talaga sa akin, they treat me like a nuisance. If that is the way they look at me, I propose that they should read the provisions on abatement of a nuisance under the Civil Code.
So, ma'am,
Kung may puno ka, pwede mong patayin. Kung di kuryente, pwede mong hinto. So I tell all my enemies who just want to get rid of me after I was voted by millions of Filipinos to serve a 6-year term, I tell my enemies, stop molesting me, you Mongoloids.